So I'm pulling over here to show you this. It's changing quickly. So I went to upload it a couple times. And each time I did, I looked back and it was doing something different. So we might sit here for a few minutes. Connection's not going to be good. But I'm going to take it for as long as I can. I can see things inside of it, for sure. So I figure I'll give it like 2 minutes and see what happens. You can probably hear my cat running around the house in the background. Sorry about that. This is pretty fascinating though, isn't it? Yeah, I want to watch this one for a minute. This thing right down here is what I'm interested in. Because that's the dark object that shoots through these and moves around. So, that's a pattern anyways. And I see a second dark one. And a few other things that are familiar. All the things they spray in the air that are alive, that are attracted to energy, moisture. Is there going to come a time that they don't need these lights anymore and they don't hold that round shape? That they start doing other things? That's what I wonder about. In their evolution, what's going to happen? See that dark spot? Yeah, this one could become interesting. I see something, a line shot kind of through here. You can see something into this, feeding off the light into this round one here. Look at that. Yeah, there's definitely something going on in there. Fascinating. Definitely fascinating. Behind is ocean, beach, waves coming ashore. And this is Genoa, windsurf, Genoa Vulturi. Alright, we're going to take off. It's going too slow. Okay, see you on the next stop.